Good afternoon, Johan Ressa. I'm the chairman of FIRA. We just want to report to the industry and to the public that we just requested Solidarity, the union, to act in accordance to the South African Constitution and the National Consumer Protection Act, allowing families to utilize a funeral parlour of their choice, not to be dictated by a union who they should utilize or who they don't need to utilize. The families has not signed an agreement with Solidarity, neither with anyone else. So we can't see why Solidarity requests them to utilize a specific funeral parlour or specific funeral parlours which are contracted to them. The very same applies to any other group in South Africa that exclusively utilizes a funeral parlour. We need to level the playing fields. It's the right of the public to choose a funeral parlour of their own, not to be dictated by any group that's got an agreement with a specific funeral parlour. The very same applies to our government. They need to look at establishing a licensed, accredited network that could assist them with services, whatever they require. And this relates to military contracts, to police contracts, to nurses contracts, to each and every other contract, including the Road Accident Fund and pauper burials. So we agree with the stakeholders that we need to level the playing fields in terms thereof, because it could not be allowed that the public has to be forced into a certain direction because of an agreement which no one is aware of. We don't know whether there's back-to-back agreements between individuals or between a specific funeral parlour and an organization or a group or anyone else. We know in the past and within our research that these type of agreements has got commissions attached to it. Not saying that this is the case which is currently being investigated and which is being addressed. We could tell everyone that we have reported Solidarity to the Financial Services Board. We've copied the National Consumer Commission, which is not looking into the matter, and we ask why aren't they looking at the matter. And we also copied the Competitions Commission. So we seek the industry to support us on this. If you don't support us on anything else, support us on this so that we can see that the funeral industry members and not the associations gets the credit. We seek that the funeral industry members, which is your ordinary funeral parlours, which are licensed, which are accredited, get the business that they deserve and which the public want to utilize. Thanking you very much. Enjoy your evening.